Good morning everyone. I'm Ronak Azhar and I will be teaching you English from now on. It's been a lot of days since we have studied and had come to school. So we will be studying in this way. I hope you are enjoying these days at home with your parents and siblings and must be playing a lot of new games and tried so many snacks, right? So we will be studying in the same way like this, and I will be teaching you English and various new concepts, and we will have a lot of fun. Okay? Good morning parents, I welcome you all to this video. Here in this video I will be telling you how we are going to divide our syllabus, English syllabus, into halves and what we are going to omit, and how we are going to let our children learn and understand various new concepts. I know we both are new to this technology, but we will make it through and we will let our child understand and learn new things, because we can't let our child stop learning new things due to this pandemic COVID-19. Okay? Here I will tell you how we can help our children learn through this new technology and in a very interesting and innovative manner. First, we will see about our syllabus and how we are going to divide it. I hope you all must have purchased the books from the nearby store. One, syllabus. Please open the main course book. Our first book is main course book. This is our main course book, MCB book. Please open the content page of this book. This is our content page. Please mark that we are omitting chapter number 9 and 10. 9 और 10 वाले चैप्टर हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, so we are omitting this. Please mark it, put a cross on it. Our first term syllabus will be chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 और 4 हमारे first term में आएंगे. Please mark it. Our second term syllabus will be chapter number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now our second book is literature reader book. This is a literature reader book, LR book. Please open the content page of this book. This is our content page. Please mark that we are omitting chapter number 9 and 10. We are not doing these chapters. Please put a cross on it. So our first term syllabus will be chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 और 4 हमारे फर्स्ट टर्म में आएंगे. प्लीज मार्क इट. Our second term syllabus is chapter number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now this is our third book, grammar book. This is our grammar book. This is the content page. Please open the content page. In this, please put a cross on chapter number 1, 12 and 13. These chapters are omitted. Chapter number 1, 12 and 13 are omitted. We will not be doing these chapters. So our first term syllabus is chapter number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Chapter number 2, 3, 4, 5 और 6 हमारे फर्स्ट टर्म में आएंगे. Our second term syllabus is chapter number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. ओके, हमारे दूसरे टर्म के आएंगे 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Of copies, we will be making 2 copies, CW and HW, classwork copy and homework copy. In classwork copy we will be writing MCB and LR, MCB and literature reader. MCB और लिटरेचर रीडर के हम जितने भी चैप्टर्स करेंगे, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, वर्ड मीनिंग्स, मेक सेंटेंसेस, दिस ऑल यू हैव टू राइट इन CW copy, classwork copy. So now I am telling you how we are going to write it. We don't have to divide the copy in 2 halves. We will write it line wise. Okay. For example, suppose you are writing chapter number 1 of MCB. Then what you have to do is write chapter 1 its name, and on the right side write MCB so that it indicates ki this is chapter number 1 of MCB. Okay. Likewise, when the next chapter you do literature reader, from literature reader, what you have to do is you write chapter 1 LR. This will indicate that this chapter is from literature reader. Okay. आप पहले MCB का फर्स्ट चैप्टर लिखिए, चैप्टर नंबर 1 MCB आपको ऐसा लिखना रहेगा. और अगर उसके बाद आप LR का चैप्टर लिख रहे हो तो आप क्या लिखोगे, चैप्टर नंबर 1 LR. इससे ये समझ में आएगा कि ये जो भी चैप्टर है ये कौन सी बुक का है. तो इसलिए आपको ये लिखना बहुत कंपलसरी और ज़रूरी है कि ये कौन सी बुक का चैप्टर है. ओके. एंड HW कॉपी, दिस वी हैव टू मेक एज वी ऑलवेज डू. वी हैव टू डिवाइड आवर कॉपी इन 2 halves. फर्स्ट विल बी ऑफ टेस्ट एंड सेकेंड विल बी ऑफ ग्रामर पोर्शन. ओके. HW कॉपी आप 2 हिस्सों में बांट दीजिए. पहला वाला जो हिस्सा है ये आपके टेस्ट का रहेगा, जो भी टेस्ट होते हैं उसके लिए, और सेकेंड वाला जो हिस्सा रहेगा वो ग्रामर पोर्शन रहेगा. उसमें हम ग्रामर की चीज़ें सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके. Activities in each chapter 3. There will be 3 activities in each chapter. Activity 1 will include word meanings. जो भी word meanings हैं that will come in our activity 1. Hard words, word meanings, these activities. Okay. Activity 2 is make sentences, summary, and whatever exercise we feel necessary for our children to learn and do. एक्टिविटी 2 में जो भी एक्सरसाइजेज हमें लगती हैं कि ये बच्चों को आनी चाहिए, करनी चाहिए, ये एक्टिविटी 2 में समरी भी आएगी. एक्टिविटी नंबर 3, दिस विल इंक्लूड एक्सरसाइजेज एंड क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स विच आर गिवन इन द बुक. जो भी बुक एक्सरसाइजेज हैं और जितने भी क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स हैं दे विल कम इन एक्टिविटी 3. इसमें सारी चीज़ें इंक्लूड होंगी. ओके. Videos in each chapter. We will be making 3 videos in each chapter. Video 1 will include chapter explanation, activity 1 and 2. In video 1, we will be explaining the whole chapter to the children, and activity 1, which is hard words, word meanings, that will also come in video 1, and also the activity 2. That is make sentences or summary, that will come in video 1. So video 1 will include chapter explanation, activity 1 and 2. Activity 2, video 2 will include activity number 3, which is book exercises and question and answers. Video 3 will include test and revision. Tests which we will take after 1 month or whatever, whenever we take our test, and the revision about the chapter, what the child has understood, what he has learned, and whatever involves in the chapter, that will be asked and revised for our children. Okay. 10% reduction in overall syllabus. As you have seen, we have omitted many chapters from each book, so we have reduced 10% from overall syllabus. Okay. Unit test assessment. How we are going to mark the child on the basis of unit test. Unit test 1, as we all know, schools are not opened yet, so unit test 1 will be based on copy work. What is copy work? The way you complete your copy, the handwriting in which you are writing, the way you are writing, and how much work is done and up to date. Right? So आपकी कॉपी जितनी अच्छी होगी उतने अच्छे आपको मार्क्स आएंगे. आपकी कॉपी के बेसिस पे आपका यूनिट टेस्ट 1 के मार्क्स हम देंगे. ओके. यूनिट टेस्ट 2 विल बी इन्फॉर्म्ड लेटर ऑन. जब यूनिट टेस्ट 2 होगा, वी विल बी इन्फॉर्मिंग यू हाउ एंड व्हेन इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. वी हैव no information about it right now due to this pandemic COVID-19. Unit test 3 again based on copy work. How you are going to complete your copies, and the way you are writing in it, and the way you are completing your copies. The marks will be given on that basis. Okay. Active unit test 4. will be informed later on. We will be informing you about the unit test 4 later on. Okay? Examination pattern. Term exams. Pen paper based test. There will be 2 term exams, term 1 and term 2. Unit test 1 and unit test 2 will come in term 1, and unit test 3 and unit test 4 will come in term 2. Okay? So apart from this, in each video I will be giving you some ground rules which the child has to follow. Okay? For example, if I am explaining the chapter and I tell the child to listen carefully and try to understand what I am saying, then at that time the child should focus on what I am telling him or her and should understand the concept deeply. And in the same way, when I ask the child to repeat after me, the child should repeat the sentence or the word which I am speaking and should repeat it till I say to repeat. Okay? And in the same way, अलग अलग जो भी ground rules मैं आपको दूंगी that the child has to follow. Okay? Thank you. I hope you must have enjoyed the video, and from the next video we will be starting to study. हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो से स्टार्ट करेंगे पढ़ाई करना. सो टिल देन बी सेफ, बी हेल्दी एंड बी हैप्पी. ओके, बाय बाय. थैंक यू.